Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this review or this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I had this Supcase Unicorn Beetle MagSafe case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this to me for review. I reviewed the Unicorn Beetle Pro MagSafe case earlier than this one. If y'all want to check out that video, the links will be in the description. But like we normally do in our reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can your wireless charge? All the normal things that you will expect in a video review of a case. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from Supcase. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So, this is it. You can see the MagSafe there. I like they don't have like the screen protector on there, but it is MagSafe, so that is pretty good. Now it does have some protection film on here, which I think about that purple kind of matches the phone a little bit. Let's see, we have one here too. Bam, there you go. Which I think about these little things. My daughter said that looks dumb. She thought it was a sticker that you could remove. Okay, this case definitely fits good. Nice and snug fit. Do you get lip action all the way around? Yes, you do. Also, that camera protection is good. Yes, you get the lip action too. Everything at the bottom lines up. The volume rocker or the alert slide is easy to get to. Let's see, the power button. It's easy to press. The volume rockers are easy to press too. I like how they are a different color. That's pretty cool. It has like this little grip on the side. It does not add much bulk to your phone, which is always a good thing. It shows off the beauty of your phone though. You have some Supcase brand in there. Bam. Let's see, the overall fit. Not bad. Man, the size fit good too. I do like how these are kind of smooth, but it's grippy, man. You have a nice grip on this case. I don't think it's falling out your hands at all. But here's the case, look at it. Now, it should be MagSafe. Let's see how good of them, oh. So yes, you can wireless charge with it. Does not fall off. Oh, man. Okay. That took some, again, I don't understand this MagSafe stuff. I don't think I can charge my phone with this hanging around it. I really don't think I can do that. But I know people do. And this magnet is strong. So, again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can pick this case up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.